Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify homepage title. So, your Shopify homepage title is crucial for SEO and branding. If it's incorrect, missing or not showing up properly, here's how to fix and optimize it. Step 1 is editing the homepage title in Shopify settings. So, log into Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to preferences and under title and meta description, update the homepage title, then click save. I also have a tip for you. You can use clear keyword rich title, for example, best handmade jewelry, affordable and unique designs, and something like that. Now, step 2 is checking the theme.liquid file for advanced users. So, you'll have to navigate to online store, navigate to the three-dotted icon, click on edit code. Now, open theme.liquid code here. Now, simply find this line that says title, page title, and title. So you can simply type in CTRL and F together. Now type in title page title. So this is the code that we were searching for. Now, if missing, add title, then shop.name, page title and title, just as it is shown here. Now, click save and refresh your store and that could also fix your problem. Now, step 3 is checking for SEO apps or third-party theme issues. So if you're using an SEO application, for example, Yoast, plugin SEO, or you can update the title inside the app settings. Some themes override Shopify settings, so check for theme-specific SEO settings. Now, verify the fix and improve SEO. You can use Google Search Console to check if the title appears correctly. Run an SEO audit with Ahrefs, Moz, or Screaming Frog, and your Shopify homepage title will now be fixed. For more Shopify tips, like and subscribe.